Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a super easy knitting stitch pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like baby sweater, baby frock, jacket, cap, scarf, shawl, cardigan, jacket, etc. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is a 4 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 2 plus 1 extra stitch. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 15 stitches on my needle. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that, knit all the stitches. So let's complete the first row by knit all the stitches. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that, purl all the stitches in the second row. So let's complete the second row by purl all the stitches. Third row, slip the edge stitch, then knit all the stitches in the third row. Fourth row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in back. Now we will knit this stitch from here, from the base, from here like this, and now drop this stitch, yarn in front and purl one stitch. We will repeat these 2 stitches in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit to 1 stitch from the below like this and purl 1 stitch. One more repeat, yarn in back, knit to 1 stitch from below and purl 1 stitch. One more repeat, knit to 1 stitch from below, yarn in front and purl 1 stitch. Knit to 1 stitch from below and purl 1 stitch. Knit to 1 stitch from below and purl 1 stitch. Knit to 1 stitch from below and purl 1 stitch. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 4 rows for the desired length of the pattern. So I will show you. Again, row 1, knit all the stitches. Row 2, slip the edge stitch and purl all the stitches. Third row, slip the edge stitch and knit all the stitches. Fourth row, slip the edge stitch. After that pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in back, knit to one stitch from below, yarn in front, purl one stitch. Repeat this pattern in the whole row. Knit to one stitch from below and purl one stitch, knit to one stitch from below and purl one stitch, knit to one stitch from below and purl one stitch, knit to one stitch from below, purl one stitch, knit to one stitch from below and purl one stitch, knit to one stitch from below and purl one stitch. So friend, when we repeat these 4 rows, then we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.